Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's found right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I really enjoy, so I want to make sure to tell you guys about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you guys will definitely be in the know. Also, I want to ask you guys to do me a favor that underneath this video there is a thumbs up tab. If you press on it, the number will go up and it will turn blue. That's important for me on a newer channel. It tells YouTube to then put my video in front of others who enjoy this type of content, but they just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this large platform. So if you are enjoying my content, just take a minute, even a second, it's just right underneath the video, and press that thumbs up for me, all right? I'm thanking you in advance for doing that. All right, today is the day, if you are newer to my channel, you don't know that we do this, but we try to do this every month. I still get my ALLURE magazine, and in my magazine, they always give me the confirmed sneak peeks, and if there's going to be any variations inside the magazine. So after I go through it and I see everything, I sit down here and I share with you guys the magazine as well as the items that are going to be in the August, I can't believe it's August 2020 box, so that if you are not getting the box, you can decide if you want to, and if you are getting the box, you know what we're going to all be looking forward to. I received the ALLURE Beauty Box. It is a $15 a month box. I get mine through Amazon.com, but it's also available through ALLURE.com. And if you're getting the ALLURE box for the first time, if you get it through ALLURE.com, they usually give you a free gift. It's usually an item that they add to the box for new members. So that's what I would suggest if it's the first time that you're looking at getting into ALLURE, that you should be looking at it through the ALLURE.com. You'll go on their website and they change it all the time what the free gift is, and you'll be able to check it out and see it there. I always got mine, even from the beginning, from Amazon.com, simply because it was easier for me. It's a subscription, and if I felt I wanted to cancel, it's Amazon. I just thought it would be easier. But since I signed up, I have not missed a month. I have not canceled, and I've really enjoyed it. And with Amazon.com, you get the same usually variation that you get if you got it through ALLURE.com. But I know, all I can tell you is my experience through Amazon.com. I usually get my box in the middle of the month, and it's been that way since it started. All right, so now that you're all up to date on this, I just also wanted to give you a little bit, if you aren't familiar with the ALLURE Beauty Box. It is, they say it delivers to your door over $70 worth of value for only $15. It's top products selected by the ALLURE editorial experts, who say they test over 50,000 products a year. It always ships for free, and there's at least 2 full-size products in every box. All right? Okay, so let's go in here. And this is the beautiful box that I always keep. It's a hard shell box. It comes packaged exactly like this, wrapped up, and it always arrives beautifully. This is the cover of the magazine for August, and this is what I found inside. So let's go through all of the items. The first one that I'm really excited to share with you guys is the one that's from Pixi. It is from their Skin Treats line. It is the Rose Oil Blend. This is going to be one of their full-size items, and I know that this item is a $24 value. So already, starting with the first product, it's it's $24 in a $15 box. the value is definitely there. The next item is a brand called Floss, and I got introduced to Floss through Allure. I got a couple of lip products from them, and I also got one in the Ipsy bag. It's a fantastic product line. So this is Floss. It is the quartz pressed highlighter, and this is also going to be the second full-size item. The next item to the right of it over here, I don't know if it's right or left on the camera, but it's over here. That one is from this brand called ULTA. It is a first care activating serum. The one that's in the middle that's getting me so excited is from Erno Laszlo. Erno Laszlo is such a fantastic, fantastic high-end brand. I can't talk highly enough about this brand. This is the Erno Laszlo Exfoliating and Detox Face Bar. This is the product that I got introduced to this brand, and I was sold and then continued with this brand for many, many years. You know, years ago, you went to a department store, you got into a brand, and you stuck with that brand. And this was the brand that was for me. The next items that are available here that are going to be in our box is this Wish. It's called Wish. It is a botanical primer. And then the other one is an H2O hydration sensitive gel cream moisturizer. And then the picture that you're seeing here, believe it or not, that is a mask. It is from this brand. If I can see, it says Looks, I think, in May. It is a brightening, lift up, perfecting fit mask. So it's really, really exciting. Like I said, it's $15. You usually get, you know, closer to $100 than the $70, but it's definitely more than $70. And 2 full-size items. And to me, this is the win-win box. Like I said, when I started this box, it was for me because of the price, and I wanted to test it out having a subscription box. And then it has been a winner box for me from day one. And I've never missed a month, and I've been enjoying it. And then when I had the channel, it was something that I was able to share with you guys. But because I get the magazine, and I've been getting the magazine for years, I just want to always have the opportunity, now that I have the channel, to share with you the confirmed sneak peeks of what is going to be available to us in the August 2020 month. So these are the items that we're going to be getting, and they'll be coming in this box. But like I said, this item here is full size. It is the Pixie brand, which I love, but the fact that there's an Erno Laszlo charcoal exfoliating detox face bar in here, I am beyond over the moon. I am so, so excited to be able to have the opportunity to have this channel and share all this with you guys. Please leave me in the comments down below if you get the Allure Beauty Box, if there's anything that we just went through that you guys are just as excited to be getting in your box. And if you are new, if you're planning on getting it through Amazon.com, or you're going to try to get it through Allure.com so that you can have access to the free gift. All right? Once again, everybody, I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to choose to spend it with me here. This has been fantastic. The amount of growth that I've had before my even first year anniversary, and the people who have taken the time and who have met me through the videos almost from the start that are still with me now. I cannot thank you enough, and how much I appreciate that you guys take the time to share with me in the comments, because that's my lifeline to you guys. So please take the time to leave me a comment, even if it's just to say, hi, I've been a subscriber, I've never left a comment, or hi, you know me, I'm here again to watch another video. It just means everything. So when we have giveaways and we do things and your names get pulled, it's almost like I'm giving a gift to a friend. So I want to make sure that you guys take that few seconds out of your day to not only, you know, spend time with me here, but also taking that extra little step of leaving me a comment means everything, because like I said, that's the way that I'm able to communicate back with you. But most importantly, during this time, it is so, so important that you guys continue to stay safe and stay well, because if we don't have our health, all of this is not worth it. So I want to make sure that everyone knows that if I'm able to bring a little bit of light into your day with some fun and sharing products and sharing whatever knowledge I have, or just putting a smile on your face, you know, to see someone else outside of your four walls. I appreciate it so much, but it means a lot to me that you guys take some time out of your day to truly spend it with me. So once again, everybody, it's been a pleasure, and hopefully I will see you again in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.